Alright, guys, this is basic English grammar. We're going to start in chapter 1 using be. So, we're going to start with two questions. So, the first question is, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, and the second question is, where are you from? Where are you from? So, what is your name? My name is Yoko. My name is Mary. My name is Henry. Okay, where are you from? I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Canada. I'm from United States. I'm from Argentina. I'm from Colombia. So these are the two questions. What is your name? Where are you from? Okay, so we have exercise 1. Let's talk class activity. So you have to ask your classmate their names. You know, what is your name? And you have to write their first names in the space below. You can also ask them what city or country they are from. So, for example, what is your name? What is your name? Oh, first name. What is your name? My name is Henry. Okay, Henry. That's your first name. Henry Gonzalez. Okay, first name Henry. Where are you from? So the question, where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Or I'm from Mexico. And so on. Okay, so you have to complete this chapter. You have to complete this, okay? First name and city or country. Brazil. Oh, it could be a city, okay? Los Angeles. Whatever. Okay, exercise 2. So we have a listening here. Listening. Okay, so you're gonna listen to the sentences, you're gonna listen the audio, and you're gonna write the words you hear. Okay? Let's start.
Chapter 1. Using be. Exercise 2, page 2. Listen to the sentences. Now write the words you hear. You will hear this story twice. The first time, just listen. The second time, write the words you hear. Paulo is a student from Brazil. Marie is a student from France. They're in the classroom. Today is an exciting day. It's the first day of school. But they aren't nervous. They're happy to be here. Mrs. Brown is the teacher. She isn't in the classroom right now. She's late today. Now, write the words you hear.
Okay, now we're gonna write the word we hear.
Paulo is a student from Brazil.
So Paulo is a student from Brazil. Okay, very good.
Marie is a student from France.
Marie is a student. Oh, sorry. Marie is a student from France. Okay, let's continue.
They're in the classroom.
They're 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 in the classroom. Okay, let's listen.
Today is an exciting day.
Today is an exciting day. Okay, let's listen number 5.
It's the first day of school.
It's the first day. It's the first day of school. But they
aren't nervous.
but they aren't. They aren't. They aren't. But they aren't nervous.
They're happy to be here.
They're happy. They're happy to be here.
Mrs. Brown is the teacher.
Mrs. Brown is the teacher. Is the teacher.
She isn't in the classroom right now.
She isn't. She isn't. She isn't in the classroom right now.
She's late today.
She's late today. Okay, she's late today. She's late today. Okay, the exercise number 2 is complete. Is complete. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's continue. So noun plus is plus noun singular. Okay, for example, Canada is a country. Is, right? Singular. Country. Singular. Canada, a singular noun, is a singular verb. Country, a singular noun. Okay, Mexico is a country. A cat is an animal. So you have the explanation here about noun plus is plus noun singular. Okay, you have to read this. Okay, let's do exercise number 3, sentence practice. So the directions are these: complete the sentences, use an article a or an. For example, a horse is an animal. A horse is an animal. English is a language. English is a language. Tokyo is a city. Some people say a, so you can say Tokyo is a city. Tokyo is a city. English is a language. English is a language. Australia is a country. Okay, Australia is a country. Red is a color. So a dictionary is a book. A hotel is a building. A verb is an animal. So when the letters start with the vowel, right here, A, E, and so on, you have to start with an. Okay, a verb is an animal. A bee is an insect. Okay, an ant is an insect. Okay, so this exercise number 3 is complete. Exercise number 4, sentence practice. Complete the sentences, use a or an, and the words in the list. Arabic is a language. Rome is a city. A cat is an animal. Tennis is a sport, right? Sport. Chicago is a city. Chicago is a city. Chicago is a city. Spanish is a language. Spanish is a language. Spanish is a language. Mexico is a country, right? Country. Mexico is a country. A cow is an animal. A fly is an insect, right? Let me see. Insect. Okay, got it. Baseball is a sport. China is a country. And Russia is. So exercise number 4 is complete. Great. Awesome. Exercise 5, let's talk small groups. So work in small groups. Choose a leader. Only the leader's book is open. Okay, for example, a language. So the leader name a language. So the leader says name a language. Okay, speaker A says English is a language. Speaker B has to say another language. For example, French is a language. the next participant has to pick another language. For example, Arabic is a language. Okay? And the leader says Japanese is a language, Spanish is a language, etc. Okay? Continue until no one can name other languages. And you can, with an animal, dog is, it's an animal, right? Cat is an animal. Baseball is a sport, right? Volleyball is a sport, and so on. Blue is a color, red is a color, green is a color, Mexico is a country, Dominican Republic is a country, Colombia is a country, Los Angeles is a city, Minneapolis is a city, okay, Brooklyn is a city, and so on. You have to do this. Okay, so noun plus are plus noun equals plural. Cats are animals. So the noun is in plural, cats. You have to use the verb form of the to be are, and the noun in plural too, animals. Okay, cats are animals. If it's singular, a cat is an animal, but cats are animals. So you have to read this and make sure you understand this. Okay, so let's continue with exercise 6, sentence practice. So you have to change the singular sentences to plural sentences. For example, an ant is an insect. Ants are insects. Sorry. A computer is a machine. So how do you put that in plural? Computers are machines, right? Okay. A dictionary is a book. Dictionaries are books, right? A chicken is a verb. Chickens are birds. A rose is a flower. Roses are flowers. A carrot is a vegetable. Carrots are vegetables. A rabbit is an animal. Rabbits are animals, right? Okay, roses, chicken, a rabbit, a carrot. Egypt is a country. Okay, Indonesia is a country. Winter is a season. Summer is a season. Okay, so exercise number 7, gain. So you have to work in small group. Close your books for this activity. Your teacher will say the beginning of a sentence as a group. Write the complete sentences. In the end, the group who completes the most sentences correctly wins the game. For example, Spanish. Spanish is a language. A verb. A verb is an animal. An ant is an insect, right? London is a country. Spain, so on. September and October are months. Mexico and Canada are countries, right? Chickens are animals. China is a country. Okay, perfect. Exercise A, listening. So listen to the sentences, circle yes or no. Example, cows are animals. Yes. Horses are insects. No. Okay, now we have to do this. Let me play the audio. Okay, let's listen to the audio.
Exercise 8, page 6. Listen to the sentences. Circle yes or no. Example.
Cows are animals.
Cows are animals? Yes.
Yes.
Horses are insects.
No.
No. 1.
Butterflies are insects.
2. English is a country. 3.
Spring is a season.
4.
Canada is a city.
5,
Japan is a language.
6,
Roses are flowers.
7,
Rabbits are machines.
8,
Russian and Arabic are languages.
9,
Cows are animals.
Okay, exercise 9. Let's talk. Pair work. So your partner will ask you to name something. Answer in a complete sentence. You can look at your book before you speak. When you speak, look at your partner. Example. A country. Mexico is a country. An insect. An ant is an insect. Right? Partner B. Two countries. Mexico and Australia are countries. A season. Summer is a season. Right? Okay, so exercise. Let's see exercise over here. So we have singular and plural. Okay? So pronoun be plus noun. We, you, they. These pronouns are plural. You, we, you, they. And are, we use are for plural. Okay? And these nouns are plural because ends with s. Students, right? Students. Okay? So I am a student. Student, singular. Students, plural. Okay? Is, singular. Are, plural. Okay, exercise number 10, sentence practice. Complete the sentences. Use a verb, am, is, or are. Use a noun, a student or students. We are a student, right? I am a student, right? Rita is a student. Rita and Tom are students. You are a student. You are students. Okay, so you here is one person, you here is two persons. Okay, remember you can use as a singular, one person, and you can use as a plural, two or more persons. Okay, you are a student, you are the students. Okay, so this is the first part of this video. Please continue watching my videos, subscribe and share with your friends. This is Martinez Academy. See you next time.